How are AI and drones transforming auto insurance claim assessment? Imagine a world where your car accident claim gets processed in just a few hours instead of weeks. That's the power of artificial intelligence and drones changing how insurance companies handle claims. When you file a claim, you usually upload photos or videos of the damage. Artificial intelligence then quickly analyzes these images to identify broken parts and estimate repair costs. It can even check if the photos are genuine by comparing them with large databases. This speeds up the process because it reduces the need for manual inspections, which used to take days or weeks. Drones come into play by flying over accident scenes or damaged vehicles to capture high-resolution images from angles that are hard for humans to reach. They can be deployed immediately after an accident or natural disaster, giving insurers detailed views of the damage. This helps them make faster, more accurate decisions about claims. For example, if a car is in a tricky spot or in a hard-to-access area, drones can safely and quickly gather the needed visual evidence. These images help prevent disputes because everyone has clear, consistent proof of what happened. Together, artificial intelligence and drones make the claims process smoother. They cut down the time it takes to settle claims from 10 or 15 days to just a few hours or days. The damage assessments become more precise because AI models are trained on thousands of vehicle images, making repair estimates more accurate. They also help catch fraud by spotting suspicious or inconsistent images, protecting honest policyholders. Plus, using drones reduces safety risks for inspectors, who no longer need to physically access dangerous or unstable locations. It also lowers costs for insurance companies because they need fewer manual inspections and less time to process claims. When you file a claim, your photos and videos are analyzed by AI, which then estimates damage and costs. If needed, drones fly out to get extra images of the scene or vehicle. This combined approach speeds up the entire process, making it fairer and more transparent. In the end, these technologies are making the claims process faster, more accurate, and safer for everyone involved. They help insurers settle claims quickly and fairly, which means less stress for you and better service overall.